Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really fun purple eyeshadow look with a speck of glitter. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So first things first, you want to prep your eye. I'm using the 24-hour Smashbox eyeshadow primer. I really like it. I'm going to start with my MrsCiaraRae palette. You guys know I'm super obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. It's so great. I'm going to use the color Semsa, I think that's how it's pronounced, and I'm going to apply this color into my crease because it's going to be my transition color. So I'm going to apply this in little circular motions, and I'm also going to blend it out in a windshield wiper motion. So within the MrsCiaraRae palette, I'm going to grab a color called OG. So in this screen you can see that OG and New York look really similar, but in real life, OG is just a lot more warmer toned. It's a perfect crease and transition color, but I'm just going to soften out that line and also put a little warmth in the eye. And then I'm going to grab a color called Yugo, which is in the MrsCiaraRae palette, with my Real Techniques crease brush. I like this brush to define and add more depth to the eye because it's a lot more compact and less dense. So I'm just going to apply that shade in my outer V just to give the eye look some depth. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some concealer all over my lid. I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to kind of blend this out with my concealer brush. So basically what this is going to do, it's going to make the eyeshadow that I'm using be a lot more vibrant and more pigmented. The eyeshadow color that I'm going to use on my lid is almost kind of like two-dimensional, as you can see on my other eye. It has like a nice flex of purple and kind of pinkish. So it's just going to make those colors really pop and appear a lot more vibrant. Okay, so I had to dig really deep in my eyeshadow stash for this palette, but this is a really old Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. This is like OG status. So I'm going to apply this color called Fishnet, and I'm going to apply this on my lid. Now, as you notice, I'm kind of patting this onto my eyelid. So this eyeshadow does have some crazy fallout, so you do want to be careful just so it doesn't get on your lower lid. But just by applying it in this patting motion, I'm going to get that vibrant color that I want, and it's just going to have more of a pop and more oomph to it. So I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics crease brush. It's a clean one, and I'm just going to soften up those lines just so we don't have any harsh lines in our eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to apply my winged liner. I'm using the Loreal felt tip liquid eyeliner, and I think this is the telescopic one, but I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and I'm going to wing it out. But you can use whichever felt tip liquid eyeliner you prefer. You can even use brown for this look. That would be really pretty, but I just prefer black liquid liner. So this next step is optional. You don't have to do it, but I definitely think it makes a big difference. So I'm just going to apply some shades on my lower lash line. I'm going to be using the same colors that I used in the MrsCiaraRae palette, which is Semsa, all over the lower lash line, and I'm also going to smoke it out a little bit with Yugo. I'm also going to be taking a black eyeliner pencil and applying that on my lower lash line as well. So lashes are optional also. I use the Ardell wispie lashes. These are the magnetic lashes. I do like these. This is my first time trying magnetic lashes, but I do like them. So I applied these on my eyes, and then obviously I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm using the Mega Lash from Wet n Wild. Okay, you guys, don't kill me, but this is another OG Urban Decay product. This is from their Heavy Metal collection. They don't make this anymore, but I promise you I will find something similar to it, and I'll put it in the description box so you can purchase something similar to it. The color that I'm using is Distortion, so I'm basically going to apply this on my lid, and this is what's really going to make the eyeshadow look a lot more fun. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more glitter in my inner tear duct, and as the product actually kind of runs out on the actual applicator, I'm just going to fade it up into like my lid and just kind of let it do its thing and just kind of fade away. But this really makes the eyeshadow look go from 0 to like 5,000 real quick. Alright you guys, so that is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this eyeshadow look. And don't forget to tag me in any pictures if you guys recreate this look or try it at home. I'd love to see your completed eyeshadow looks. But until my next video, I will see you soon. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye!